In the previous video, where we made magnesium sulfate crystals, we had a very important question. Why not just evaporate the solution to dryness? We said that, in case we did evaporation, we will obtain a white powder, magnesium sulfate, anhydrous magnesium sulfate. So what does anhydrous means? Well, anhydrous means without water. When many salts form their crystals, water from the solution becomes chemically bound up with the salt. So when the salts transform into crystals, the water found in the solution bound with the salt. This is called water of crystallization, which means that in this solution we have water, meaning the salts that turned into crystals originally contain water, which reacted with the salt to turn into crystals. So this is water of crystallization. A salt which contains water of crystallization is said to be hydrated. However, the salt that doesn't contain water is called anhydrous. The AN in anhydrous means without water, whereas hydrated refers to a salt containing water. We said that magnesium contains water of crystallization. Let's see the equation. Magnesium sulfate, MgSO4, reacts with H2O to give magnesium sulfate dot H2O, 7H2O. So notice we have a dot here, or in some cases it can be a comma. This means that this is the formula of crystallization, or water of crystallization. So when we see a dot and water next to it, it means that this is crystallization, or water of crystallization. So we have a dot here since magnesium sulfate contains water of crystallization. The extra water in the solution is from the water in the solution. These are the extra water. They come from the main solution. So we learned what is anhydrous, water of crystallization, hydrated, and how to write the molecular formula of crystallization, and that we need to pay attention to the dot.